Hello guys, and we are back with another video. So it's come to our attention that we've had this car, what, about 3 months now? Yeah, about 3 months. Oh, your hand's stuck. Oh dear. All good? All good, yeah. Okay, right, so we are back with another video, and we've had the car about 3 months now. It's been our daily run around, so it's a bit of a cesspit inside. Having 3 children. Chloe, you're my youngest, aren't you? Yeah, yeah. So today we're going to give it a clean. We've got a variation of Demon products. Which one have you got? I've got Demon Shine, Demon Clean, Demon Tyres. I think you've got Demon Wheels. So you can do the wheels for me, yeah? And yeah, so I do warn you, this car is an absolute cesspit. But I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's go. You gonna get in? Okay, let's go. Okay. Right, should we start the wheels then? Yeah, can you do it? You do it? Yeah. See your sprays? Oh, good job. All good? Yeah. So I did warn you guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Who sits here? Does Mummy sit here? Yeah. Does Mummy sit there? Yeah. Is this all Mummy's mess? No. Yeah, so we've got plates, we've got McDonald's, my side, and in the back, just gets worse, doesn't it? Yeah, so 3 months worth of just absolute rubbish. So today we are going to do it, aren't we? Yeah. Right. So we start getting all the rubbish out. Right. Come on, then. You can help. In the bin. Let's do the other side. So this side's not as bad, I don't think. Right, should we got the rubbish? Come on then. You put the rubbish in the bag. Good, oh, good job. Whoops. Oh, we need that, don't we? Sensitive. Yeah. Right, okay, so that is the front done, isn't it, yeah? We need to do the back now, don't we? Yeah, will you and your sister sit? Right, okay, let's do the back. And then we're going to get the water and we're going to wash it. Yeah. Yep, so we're going to get water and we're going to wash it. Or should we clean it first on the inside? Yeah. No, you want to wash it first. Okay, we'll wash it first. Right, let's do the back then, yeah? Come on then. Come on, this way. On the pavement, please. Go on. Oh, right, that is the rubbish done. So almost 1 whole bag of rubbish just because you and your sisters. And Mrs. Automotive. Not me though. No, come back. Oh, good. Right. Next up, we need to do some cleaning. Yeah. We're gonna get a bucket of water. Yeah. Right. So next up, we're gonna give it a good clean. Yeah. Gonna get all the soap out. Do you get a bucket? Right. Okay. Let's do it. Right. So like every budget YouTube channel, we can't find our bucket, so we're using the washing up bowl. Bubble. So we're using the washing up bowl. Right, should we get some sponges? Come on, I'll get some sponges. Good job. Good job. Yeah, that's okay. You put it back in there for me. Put the sponge in the bowl. Right, come on, let's go get your wellies. Right, we're back with our wellies, yeah? Right, let's do it. What are you saying now? What's happened? Come on, them. Well, it is a funny coincidence that the hose pipe isn't working because one of them demon shiners is a spray on shine, so we're going to do just that, aren't we? Oh, look, the most neglected part of the car, look. Yeah. Uh-oh, you got bubbles on me. Okay, come on then. You just bit. Yeah. Lots of bubbles. You got lots of bubbles, yeah? You do the back of the car for me? So we lost our bucket. Yeah, it's not very clean. So, you know what we're going to have to do? We're going to take it to a car wash. Okay, so we've took the majority of the dirt off. We're now going to take it to a jet wash. Right, okay guys. So definitely not a pre-recorded segment. Unfortunately, we lost all the video footage from the jet wash, and we lost audio at the end of that clip. So, sure. So, on that bombshell, it is time to end the video, isn't it? And on that bombshell, it's time to end the video. See you soon, guys. Next week, we need to get the car MOT ready. So do a service, do a little few things, and that'll be next Monday. Right, cheers guys, see you later. Bye.